How to use ChatGPT SharePoint feature. Now, to use the ChatGPT SharePoint feature, you must connect your OpenAI account directly to Microsoft 365, and it will allow ChatGPT to securely read, search, and analyze files stored in your corporate SharePoint libraries and OneDrive for Business. Now, to simply enable it, simply tap on the menu and tap on the plugins. And here you'll find countless number of plugins. From here, you just have to search for SharePoint. And once you locate it, you can also use the search bar if you have trouble finding it. Simply tap on SharePoint and you can read what the application does. And at the end, if you want to install this, simply tap on Install Plugin. So kindly read through the instruction. And after you have read all of this information, simply tap on Continue to SharePoint. And now from here, what you have to do is simply complete your login. If you have a personal Microsoft account, you can simply use that, or if you are working for an organization, you can also use that. As this is the Microsoft authentication window, you have to sign in with your corporate credentials, and after that, grant ChatGPT read-only permissions. And after that, simply wait a few minutes for the initial sync to finish while ChatGPT indexes your primary document libraries. And then you'll be easily able to access or use SharePoint directly from your ChatGPT. And that's it, guys. If you enjoyed the video, consider give it a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next